In this video, we will show you how to replace your front bumper reflector. On this Ford Fusion, you'll have two of these, and the process is the same exact thing. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To do this, it's going to be fairly simple overall. Let's remove this push pin right inside of the wheel well. You can use a trim tool or small prying device. To remove your push pins, gently remove the center to unlock it, and then you can remove the outer portion. A quick inspection and set it aside. With that out of place, the next thing we'll have to do is carefully make our way in between here and gently start pulling the wheel well away so we can gain access to one Phillips head screw that goes straight up and into this area. Now I'll gain access to my Phillips head screw. Let's carefully pull this away and we'll have a look along the backside. In this area, you're going to find that you have two small ears that you can squeeze together using some long nose pliers. We'll squeeze them together and pop this right out. Now we'll take hold of this. As we're pivoting it, we need to pull it away from the front. Continue on to your wiring harness along the backside here. We'll be using our long nose pliers once again. Go ahead and take hold of that wiring harness and then twist this as needed to remove it. Now the next thing we'll do is just give our bulb a quick inspection. If you need to replace this, the bulb number is 194NA. It's an amber color bulb. Go ahead and take that and put it right back in position. We'll take this and put it in position. It's easiest if you hold onto the wiring harness with those long nose pliers. Careful not to scratch our bumper cover if possible. There we are. We'll slide this in across the front. And now we're going to pay attention along the backside here. We remember we had those two tabs. We want to just squeeze this in. Let's continue on with our one Phillips head screw up inside this corner. Let's put in our push pin across here. Press that in, double check to make sure everything's secured properly. Okay friends, we showed you how to install your front bumper cover reflector. At this point, go ahead and test its functionality and then take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.